Alright, so when I first opened up this box and I saw there's a box inside the box, I had to make a video because nobody does this anymore. So this is a glass tube, and as you can see, they went out of their way to hopefully make sure that even after dropping this tube a couple times, it should still be hopefully not damaged. So we will check. But there used to be a time where they would ship it just like in this box. And as you can tell, it's broken before. It's been broken before, so they've added some padding, and let's see if this is broken. There we go. So you should never touch the tube with your bare hands, but it appears to be intact. So yeah, everything looks good. Yep, looks good. Good job on the packaging, guys. That's an Omtech OEM tube. There you go, guys.